cornrow your hair, no problem, I got you. Just stay tuned to the end of the tutorial, and please don't forget to comment down below if you love my protective style, and if you want me to do a styling video on how I'll be styling this crochet hair. I did one on the video at the end of it, so stay tuned to the end. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delivia again. Hope you guys are doing fine. If it's your first time here in my channel, welcome. My name is Delphine. I do natural hair videos, fashion and lifestyle. So if you're interested in joining the group, do subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And those of you who are old here, welcome back. Girl, today's video is all about this right here. So if you're interested in knowing how I got my individual crochet looking like this, popping like no man's business, and what type of hair I used, girl, stay tuned. So right here I did detangle it in sections, and then I go ahead and braid the entire section once I've detangled it with my detangling brush. This is optional. You choose whatever size of braids you want to do depending on your crochet hair that you have. You can do bigger portions if your crochet hair looks bigger. Mine looks bigger, but I didn't want to do it super big or really big because I wanted to have volume at the end of the day. I don't know if I make sense. I wanted more hair, so I did it in these sections. From the video ahead, you're going to see that I had to redo the front because I just felt like I needed more hair, because I got 7 packs of the hair I'm going to be showing you guys that I will use in the video. This individual crochet braid method is my first time I'm trying it entirely. It's so easy. I bought this crochet hair since July, and I've been so lazy to do it because I don't know how to perfectly cornrow my hair. So when I found this method on YouTube, in a YouTuber's channel called Jazznicolemethod, I'm going to leave her name in the description bar or below in the screen so you guys can check her out. She has lovely tutorials on her hair. Yeah, I'm just showing you that I did a middle part for the braids. That's how my entire hair looks like right now. I braided it all the way. It took about 2 hours because I had to stop in between and take care of my kids and all whatnot. So I'm just using my black castor oil to oil my scalp. You don't want your scalp getting dry easily because your protective style needs some moisture. So there I'm just pouring a little bit on my hand, and I'm going to rub it inside my hair all over and try to massage a little bit. This style works perfectly, and it will be way more easier if your hair is short, because it took so much time for me to braid my hair right up to the end. So I just felt like it would have been much easier if my hair was shorter. So like I was saying, you can check Jazznicole's channel. She is an expert when it comes to different methods you can use to crochet your hair. Right there I'm showing you the hair I'm using. Just be patient, it's going to focus. Yeah, I'm going to leave the name of the hair I'm using on the screen in case you didn't see it well. I'm trying to open the pack right now. There you go. So this hair is so pretty, but it's so small in a pack. In a pack you get just 2 of those bundles in one packet, and it's just 6. So it's 12 single individual hair that you have. That's the name of the hair on the screen right now. So you have just 12 of it in a pack. So I was worried and I got about 7 packs, but I ended up not using all of it. I think if you have to use this same hair, you can do 4 packs with bigger sections of braids. So right there I just crocheted the hair under the braid, and what you want to do is insert your pin inside the crochet hair, and then grab your own braid that you did, put it into the pin, the crochet needle, you pass it inside right there, so your hair will be invisible. And I'm just trying to remove the hook, and you see, bam, my hair is inside the crochet hair right now. So that's just the process. It's so easy. I'm going to show you guys in the next one. Again, you send your hook under your hair, just normal way you crochet. Close the hook and pass it through, remove it, and then you grab both the crochet hair and your own braid and pass it into the loop, and then you secure it tight, not too tight to give you a headache, right there. And once it's nice and secured, you go ahead and pass your crochet needle inside the crochet hair. Take your time to do this. It took me a little while to get it. That's why I had to do majority of the hair off camera, so I'll get used to the process. And then you pass it inside. If you miss it, you can redo it from the start, so it's no problem. Sometimes I'll do a single one 2 or 3 times before I get it. So like I said earlier, it was my first time trying this particular method, so it was a little bit of struggle, but with time I understood how it works. So right there, this hair comes like this, guys. It comes with this already decorated single strands with this kind of Mali color wrapped into it to give the hair some swag. So right there, I decided to put these ones in front here. I'm going to put it on this side, and on the other side you'll see it at the end of the tutorial that I did 2 in front. It's difficult to pass this particular one with the threading in it because it's tight, so I took my time, so I will not unravel the thread as well, because I did that at the back and I don't want to repeat it again. So right there I just secure it, and I'm going to repeat the whole process again. Pass the hook inside the crochet hair, and once you reach the bottom, you grab the braid, your own braid, and secure it inside the hook and pass it through the crochet hair. If you miss it, you can send it again and grab the extra part that is outside, and then you try to do it. Right there, I'm just trying to fast forward it because I believe by now you would have understood the whole process. Yeah. And lastly, I'm inserting another hair with this Mali a Bob Marley or Jamaican kind of threading on the hair. I really loved this hair from the moment I saw it, so I bought it, and I was excited to share with you guys. So right there, I'm just repeating the whole process again. I hope you guys got the vibe, the gist, the main idea on how to do this, because I could not film every single strand. My camera is going to run down. So there you go. Like I was saying, see that my hair came out from the crochet hair, so all I did was just insert again close to it, grab it and send it inside. You don't want your hair popping out of the crochet hair. So there you go, it's very easy. And here I'm just trying to show you guys the final look. I'm trying to style it here for you guys, because you guys might be wondering how I'm going to be wearing this hair, so I did one style for you guys. So if you're interested in knowing other ways I will be styling this hair, just hit the comment section below asking me to film a tutorial on how I'll be styling this hair, and I'll gladly do it for you guys. Yeah, I'm just grabbing the hair at the front, just a few, leaving the sides to fall, and the decoration in front I grabbed the one at the side and the other side. I left these two because I just felt I should leave that. So I'm using my hairband right now to secure that portion right there. So I didn't want the band to be showing. I went ahead, took that hair with the threading on it in the bun and just cross it over the band right there. It gave this hair more swag. Can you feel it? Right there. So simple and easy to style this hair, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. I love you guys so much. I'm just feeling my hair right here, cause you cannot talk to me anyhow, according to Cheesy Duro. Yes, I do watch her. I'm just enjoying my hair. I'm so happy. For my first time, it came out this nice. The next time I'm going to film this tutorial, I'll make sure I use another method, guys. I'm going to show you guys another method, so you guys can check Jazz Nicole's channel if you really want to see an expert who has been doing it for a while to show you. Yeah, but this is the whole process. Like, I decided to go with this because it was the simplest. And yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let's chat in the comment section. Right there, I'm showing you the entire hair, the back. Oh my goodness, I'm just enjoying the hair, guys. Subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I love you guys. Bye bye.